I uploaded a number of documents to our resource library, and you may notice that when I did that, the documents are checked out to me. And the reason they're checked out is there are required pieces of metadata that haven't yet been provided. And until I provide those, I can't check these documents in. This is a normal behavior for a library that has required metadata. Sometimes this encourages people who are designing libraries to make the metadata optional, but if you do, then some users will upload things and not enter metadata. What I prefer to do is to take advantage of the quick edit view in the library to fill this metadata in. I can tell which ones are checked out because the checked out icon shows. I can simply choose a resource type here. This is other, it's an image, and this is owned by events coordination. I have a planning letter. A lot of these are events coordination. This is a document, and this is from events coordination. But what I like now is that this events coordination owns this and the next two, so I can use fill in order to do that, and that's why I switched to this quick edit view. If I'm uploading a group of documents from somewhere, for example, creating a site and moving documents out of Windows file shares into SharePoint, then often as I'll move all the documents in a folder, I'll go and supply all their metadata at one time, then the next group of documents, and so on. I can also simply type the first letter. For example, this is an application, and I can use the arrow keys on my keyboard or tab. This is a presentation. This is a presentation. And this is actually from HR. They own it. This is an AV inventory, and it is none of the above. Well, it's really a document. I shouldn't say that. It's a document. It's a spreadsheet. And this inventory belongs to the folks in facilities. This color palette and logo, these are both other. And they belong in IT. And you'll notice it's relatively easy to work your way through this using the fill handle or simply choosing items from the list. And I'm all done now. I can stop editing this list, and if I wish, I should now be able to check all of these documents in that are checked out. Because I've provided all the information, I can select them and choose check-in. There they go. I could have done them all at once, but notice how quickly that worked. So this is the advantage of using Quick Edit when you're uploading batches of documents and need to provide required metadata or even optional metadata very quickly and easily.